Welcome back to Get Lowered. Today we are taking a look at the tab head pipe. This is for all 2017 through current Harley Touring models. A couple of key features about this pipe is it mounts underneath the stock heat shields, can mount with any of the stock or aftermarket mufflers that bolt to the stock head pipe, has both the 18 and the 12 millimeter bungs for easy tuning. It also includes all the gaskets and hardware to mount. And our favorite feature is it's all 100% made here in the USA. So let's go ahead and get this installed on this beautiful 2024 Road Glide. First thing we're gonna do is get off the floorboard. That gives us access to the heat shields. Gonna get them off of there. Next we can move on to our mufflers. Left and right side need to come off. Wiggle them off there. Then we can get attacking the head pipe itself. Get that off. And then we can move on to removing the O2 sensors, get them out of the old head pipe, into the new one, and back to the bike we go. Once we get the nuts started on the head pipes, we can get them snugged down. Make sure your O2 sensor wiring is routed correctly. Then we can go and get our mufflers installed. Make sure everything is tight and snug. And then we can move on to getting our heat shields back on. Install that floorboard once more, and this bike is ready for the dyno and or a quick flash tune. If you're interested in getting one of these head pipes, head on over to getlowered.com and pick one up today.